Is the cracking during chiropractic adjustments safe for osteoarthritis? Imagine hearing a popping sound when someone moves your joints. That sound is often caused by gas bubbles releasing in the joint space. Many wonder if that crack is safe, especially if they have osteoarthritis. When a trained chiropractor performs an adjustment, the cracking sound usually comes from a quick releases of gas from the joint. For people with osteoarthritis, gentle, controlled adjustments are key. These are designed to improve how well the joint moves without putting too much stress on damaged cartilage or bones. Chiropractors carefully examine each patient before starting treatment. They consider how severe the osteoarthritis is and choose techniques that are safe for that specific condition. If a joint is very affected, they often avoid aggressive cracking and opt for softer, low-force adjustments. This personalized approach helps protect the joint while still providing relief. Most chiropractic adjustments involve gentle movements that help reduce stiffness and pain. The cracking sound itself is not harmful. It is simply a releases of gas that naturally occurs in the joint. When done correctly, it does not cause further damage to the joint or worsen osteoarthritis. In addition to adjustments, chiropractors may suggest other therapies like massage, specific exercises, or nutritional advice. These can support joint health and help manage symptoms more effectively. Chiropractic care is often part of a broader plan that includes physical therapy or medications if needed. However, chiropractic adjustments are not recommended if there is active joint inflammation, severe joint damage, or osteoporosis. These conditions can increase the risk of injury, so a healthcare provider might suggest other options instead. In summary, when performed gently and by a qualified professional, the cracking sound during chiropractic adjustments is generally safe for people with osteoarthritis. It is important to communicate openly with your chiropractor about your condition so they can tailor the treatment to your needs. Always work with your healthcare team to ensure that any therapy, including chiropractic care, is right for your specific situation.